Diwali festival in India. During my trip, I enjoyed Diwali festival in India.
사랑해.
I had a great time in India, so let's start check it out.
Are you crazy? Diwali, why? Diwali festival. Happy Diwali. Namaste. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hello guys. Now I'm in India. Like I wanna try street food in here. Hello. Hello. Wow. Here have so many street food. Hello. Hello. Oh, vlog, vlog. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, nice to meet you. I'm really excited now. I want to explore here. Let's go. Hello. What is that? Huh? What is that? What is that? It's their festival. Wow, festival. Wow. I found this one. This is like brush. Yes. Oh. Cleaning. Okay, thank you. Mama. Wow. Diwali, why? Diwali festival. Happy Diwali. Namaste. Namaste. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Wow. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali.
You know, when I came to India, there was one thing that was a surprise for me. At first, I thought shaking on my head to side means no. But this is the most common way to show agreement and say yes in
Happy
India.
Diwali. Wow. Here are so many. Hello. Happy Diwali. Wow. Now it's Diwali season, so many people say Happy Diwali. So I wanna enjoy this Happy Diwali. Hello, hello. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Whoa! Wow, so big! Oh my god, sound is really big. Here have so many food. Actually, hello, Happy Diwali.
Hello, hello.
Hello, Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Diwali.
This festival also gives people hope and possibility to share it with others in the world.
Oh, what is this? So cute. It's like cup. Is it cup?
No, no, puja.
Ah, puja.
Puja.
I want to be puja. Rich.
Lakshmi puja.
Wow. So good.
Good, good.
Oh. Bye bye. Namaste. Namaste.
Namaste, namaste.
Namaste.
Hello, madam. Namaste. क्या चाहिए?
Hello. Namaste.
नमस्ते.
Namaste.
किती पाहिजे?
Wow. Namaste. Is it ice cream? Can I see inside? Can I see? Wow. What is that? Oh, this is ice cream. Can I try ice cream? How much? 20. Can I get this? Hello.
You eating? No?
Huh?
Ice cream eating?
Ice cream. Only ice cream. What flavor?
स्ट्रॉबेरी वेनिला स्ट्रॉबेरी वेनिला मैंगो
Can I choose?
Please.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Hello. Hello. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, ma'am.
Thank you.
Happy Diwali.
Same to you.
Yeah, I love you. Do you know how to say I love you in Korea?
Hello.
사랑해.
Selling.
사랑해.
말이 따로 없다, 이제.
나도 I love you. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. This one is strawberry. Strawberry.
Strawberry or vanilla?
Strawberry. And vanilla. Okay, let's try. Let's try. Oh my god! Awesome! It's really good! Ah! Thank you so much! Thank you so much! Hello!
Hello.
I love you! Wow! Ice cream its flavor is fantastic! I love it! I love you! You know? This one is also sweet. Happy Diwali!
Yes.
Wow, what is that?
Daipuri.
Pani puri!
Dahi puri.
Wow!
You can try?
Oh, can I try?
Yes.
Wow! Thank you! Wow! Yummy! I love it! Yummy! Yummy! So good! I love pani puri!
This is my husband.
Hello, hello! I love pani puri! Do you like pani puri?
Yes.
Yes? Do you like pani puri?
Yes.
Thank you! Your family!
Thank you. Yes.
Nice family! Thank you
you.
for giving me.
Thank you.
Thank you! I love you!
I love you too.
Wow, pani puri is so good! Wow! Let's go, let's go! I love ice cream! Happy Diwali! Wow! What is that?
Fish.
Fish! Wow! It's so amazing! Real fish! Bye bye! Happy Diwali! I really like to say Happy Diwali. I'm lucky to Happy Diwali! Hello, Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali.
You want to optimum?
What is that? What is that? Falling. Optimum falling. What is that? Wow! Stop is big! Stop! Oh! Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Hello! Yeah. Give me though. Give me. Nice. Yeah.
एक आपका कौन सा चैनल है? चैनल?
Yeah, YouTube channel. Subscribe me. Channel Korea. Guess me. Guess. Oh. Guess. Guess me. I'm Korean. I'm from South
Okay, okay, sir.
I'm from South Korea.
Okay, चलिए.
Korean. Do you like South Korea?
हाँ.
Oh, do you like South Korea?
हाँ?
Do you like South Korea?
BTS.
I'm South Korea. Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Bang bang bang.
Sauce Korean.
What is that? What is that? What is that? Okay, can I take it? No clean?
Yes, clean.
No clean? I don't want to eat.
Clean.
Okay, wait. like to say hello in here. I love here. Hello. What's your name? Huh? Harshad.
Harshad.
Hi, Harshad. Hi. Remember me, okay?
What is your name?
On YouTube or Insta.
Oh, okay. YouTube.
YouTube.
Do you have a YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, I will upload this one, okay? I will upload your fan.
इधर. Type.
Oh, don't do that. I'm from South Korea.
This one.
Oh,
Instagram को है क्या?
say hello. Hello. Wow, here have so many people. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Owner.
Okay, owner? Where's owner?
मैं जो है ना
Huh?
वो उधर का नाही का तिकड नदीच्या पलीकडं तिकडनं आल्यानंतर
ये owner.
Hi, owner.
owner of the shop.
Owner of the shop.
Yeah.
Who are you?
They are asking you.
Hello. Happy Diwali. I love ice cream. Okay, bye-bye. Bye. Namaste. Wow, they have so many desserts in here. Here have so many things. Hello. I'm fine. Namaste. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Yay. Hello.
What is your name?
Kelly.
Kelly.
Oh.
My name is Sonali.
Oh, Sonali.
Yeah.
Happy Sonali.
Thank.
Oh.
Where are you?
I'm from South Korea.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Do you like South Korea?
Yes, I like that.
I love India.
Yeah, thank you so
Yes.
much. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye-bye. See you. Bye-bye. Wow, here have so many vegetables. Also, hello. Wow. I love here.
अरे नहीं अभी वो देखा था मोबाइल में वो बोला था 3 दिन रखता है